Welcome to Hosea Design. Today we're going to see how we are going to dimension a ground plan in archicad. We are using archicad 2026, archicad 26. Well, if you are using any other version of archicad, the procedure remains the same. There's no changes. Okay, let's proceed. Now for you to dimension, firstly you need to go to option, click on option, go to project reference, click on project reference, then you take dimensions, click on dimensions, then the window will appear. You're going to select your unit. Let's select our unit. You can choose meters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters, feet and fractional in inches, feet and decimal inches, dimension, decimal feet, fractional inches, dimensional inches, depending on you. And for us, we're going to choose meters. Let's took 1 decimal point. Should take 1 decimal point. You can make and just take. Okay, now let's dimension. Let's take the front part. So first of all, dimension the front part. Click and click. You need the dimension of the window, so you need to click for both edges. And you click, you need the dimension of the door, and you click on both edges. You need the dimension of this other window, and you click. And when you reach at the end, you right click, and then you take OK. Take OK. You can position it at any point depending on you. Let's position it here. Click OK, and you position, showing that our window is 1 meter. That's 1.10. The dimension of our window. Dimension of this other window, showing that is 2.4. And that's the parlor window, the main window. So they normally need ventilations. Okay, you can click to get the dimension of the room and the parlor, and you click OK. Click OK. This dimension needed to that dimension. You click at the both edges, and you right click, and then you take OK. Take OK, then you position, you stand at the position, and then you still click on OK. Then you're going to see that you're having 10 meter. Same thing applicable for the other side. Use the same procedure for that side. Then you click OK. Alright. For you, for the interior dimensioning, you can make union or single dimensioning. I do single for this parlor. Dimension the parlor independently. You can just position at any point, and you release. Just click on OK. Okay. Then let's take union. For union, you can click on your wall. Click on your wall. Click on this other wall. I need the dimensions for this openings, for these rooms. You need to click here, click here, click here. Then I right click and I take OK. You can position it outside or inside, anywhere inside. Since we are working at this point, you can just click around here. OK. Is it? Dimensions are well positioned. Alright. For this 0.2, which means that our wall is 0.2 meter. Yes, that is 20 centimeters. Block wall. Okay. Same thing applicable. Still click here. Click. You click. 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 And you right click. And you take OK. And you position it where you want. And you say OK. Same thing applicable. The same thing that we did behind the dimensions of this window. You have to do it like this. Click. Click on the two sides, click, you click, you click, and you should make sure that you are zooming very well for accuracy. You should be able to zoom and know where you are clicking, where you are placing your dimensions, and you right click and you take OK. When you take OK, you can place at any position depending on you, and you take OK. And that's it. That's it. That's what we have there. And maybe you want to do some few settings. Maybe you want to change something, the arrow. Normally when you click on the dimensional tools here, click on dimensional tools here, at the top you are going to see some important information that you can still redo your settings. You can still redo the settings depending on you. From here you can change it to arrows depending on you. You can change it to anything of your choice based on what you are doing. You can see the changes. You can see change depending on you and depending on how you want. Yes, this is architecture. Okay, you can see click and then you press Ctrl A to select all, and then select and do it for all at once instead of doing it one you'll be able to do it at once. You can see the result. What am I saying? What I'm simply saying is that you can stand on your dimension tool, then you press Ctrl A and you select all the dimensions, then you go up here. You're going to see marker type. Choose a marker type, which you should choose by let's take dot. See dot, you select dot, it will automatically change for all the dimensions. Yes, automatically change for all the dimensions. If you need arrow, type of arrow you can select depending on you. If you need this other one, you can select depending on you, depending on your choice. If you need this one, depending on you. I've seen the changes. That's how you can dimension the ground plan. Okay, thank you for watching. In our next video we're going to see how we can draw the roof. Draw the roof of this ground plan. Please subscribe and stay tuned for other interesting tutorials. Thank you.